Before you scroll away, ask yourself this. If your life stays exactly the same, where will you be 1 year from now? You already know the answer. And that answer does not feel good. You wake up tired even after sleeping. Your phone is the first thing you touch. Your plans sound good at night and disappear in the morning. Days pass fast. Weeks blur together. Another year slips away and you feel heavier inside. Not because life attacked you, but because you did nothing to stop the drift. You are not weak. You are worn down. You are not lazy by nature. You are undisciplined by habit. And habits do not change with motivation. They change with structure. Right now, your mind feels noisy. Your body feels slow. Your focus feels broken. You want a reset, not a fake restart. A real one. A year where you stop reacting and start deciding. This video is not about hype. 'Tis about leaving a broken 2025 behind and stepping into 2026 with control. Calm control. Quiet strength, the kind that does not announce itself. I will share 7 Stoic habits. Each one is simple. Each one is uncomfortable. And each one works because it aligns your actions with reality, not feelings. Do not rush. Let each one land. If you stay until the end, you will not just feel inspired. You will see clearly what needs to change and how to change it. The first habit is accepting discomfort as training. Most men try to avoid discomfort. You delay hard tasks. You numb boredom. You escape effort. And every time you do that, your mind learns a dangerous lesson. It learns that comfort comes first. Stoicism teaches the opposite. Discomfort is not the enemy. It is the training ground. The Japanese mindset treats repetition and difficulty as refinement. You do not wait to feel ready. You act even when it feels heavy. Psychologically, this works because your brain adapts to what you repeatedly face. When you choose discomfort on purpose, your tolerance grows. Your confidence grows quietly. You stop fearing effort. Start small. Wake up and do one hard thing before anything else. Make your bed perfectly. Take a cold shower for 30 seconds. Sit in silence for 5 minutes without your phone. Do it daily. It's not to be extreme, but to remind your mind who is in charge. By the end of 2025, you are tired because you avoided effort. In 2026, you will be tired because you trained. There is a difference. The second habit is controlling your mornings like a ritual. Your day does not start at work. It starts the moment you wake up. If your morning is chaotic, your life follows. Stoic thinkers believed in order before action. Japanese culture values ritual because it reduces decision fatigue. When your morning is predictable, your mind stays calm. Most men wake up and react. Notifications, messages, random scrolling. This fragments focus before the day even begins. Change this. Wake up at the same time every day. No exceptions. Do not touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Wash your face, drink water, sit still. Decide the one thing that matters today. This works because your brain loves patterns. Consistent mornings reduce anxiety and increase self-trust. You stop negotiating with yourself. 2026 is not saved by big goals. It is built by quiet mornings done right. The third habit is speaking less and observing more. You waste energy explaining yourself, complaining, arguing, seeking validation. Every word leaks focus. Stoicism values restraint. The Japanese mindset respects silence. Silence sharpens awareness. It allows you to see what is really happening instead of reacting emotionally. Psychologically, this calms the nervous system. When you speak less, your thoughts slow down. You gain control over impulses. Practice this daily. When something irritates you, pause. Do not respond immediately. Count to 10. Observe your reaction without feeding it. In conversations, listen fully. Do not plan your reply. Just listen. You will notice how much clearer your thinking becomes. In 2025, you reacted. In 2026, you will respond. That shift changes everything. The fourth habit is cutting useless consumption. Your mind is tired because you overload it. Endless videos, news cycles, opinions, entertainment with no end. Stoicism teaches that not everything deserves your attention. Japanese minimalism removes the unnecessary to protect focus. Your brain is not designed for constant stimulation. Dopamine spikes from scrolling destroy motivation for real work. Do this. Unfollow accounts that add no value. Limit social media to one fixed time daily. Replace 1 hour of consumption with 1 hour of creation. Writing, training, learning. At first, boredom will hit. Good boredom is the doorway to clarity. When noise leaves, purpose enters. 2026 will reward the man who chooses depth over distraction. The fifth habit is keeping promises to yourself. You do not trust yourself anymore. That is the real damage. You say you will start and you do not. You plan and then quit. Over time, your identity weakens. Stoicism is about integrity. Japanese discipline is built on honor in small actions. Psychologically, self-trust grows when actions match words. Even tiny promises matter. Start with one promise. A 10-minute walk daily. 1-page read, 1 workout per week. Never miss twice. When you keep promises, your self-image shifts. You stop seeing yourself as broken. You become reliable to yourself. Pause for a second. Imagine meeting your future self in December 2026. He looks calm, strong, focused. He trusts himself. Ask yourself, what habits did he keep every day? Then start now. The sixth habit is preparing for loss before it happens. Most men live as if time is unlimited. Then panic hits when something is lost. Stoics practiced negative visualization, not to be pessimistic, but to build gratitude and resilience. Japanese culture respects impermanence. Nothing stays forever. Psychologically, this reduces fear. When you accept loss mentally, you suffer less when challenges come. Once a week, sit quietly. Think about losing comfort, status, relationships, health. Do not dramatize. Just acknowledge. This makes you value what you have and act with urgency. You stop wasting days. 2026 should not surprise you. It should meet you prepared. The seventh habit is focusing on what you control and letting the rest go. You stress about outcomes, about other people, about the world, all outside your control. Stoicism is simple here. Control actions, release outcomes. Japanese craftsmanship focuses on process. Perfection comes from devotion to the task, not obsession with results. Psychologically, this reduces anxiety and burnout. You feel grounded. Each day, ask one question. What is one action I can fully control today? Then do it well. Do not worry about applause. Do not track progress obsessively. Show up and execute. This is how broken years end. Now listen carefully. 2025 did not fail you. It revealed you. It showed where you avoid effort, where you escape discomfort, where you break promises. 2026 is not a fresh start given to you. It is a responsibility taken by you. Pause for a second. Feel the weight of that. No one is coming to save you. And that is good news. Because you are capable. You do not need motivation. You need direction. You do not need intensity. You need consistency. Leave 2025 behind without regret. Use it as data. Step into 2026 with quiet discipline. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. One habit, one action. One controlled step. That is how men rebuild their lives.